Welcome to Knowledge Bank, where we tackle the everyday tech struggles that drive us all crazy. Here we delve into the frustrations that are universally experienced that push the boundaries of our patience and disrupt our daily lives. You know that moment when you're trying to send an important email and your Wi-Fi suddenly decides to crawl at a snail's pace? Or when you're in the middle of a crucial video call and your screen freezes? Yes, we've all been in those infuriating situations. The problems you thought only you had, the tech glitches that seem to follow you around like a persistent shadow. We're willing to bet that at some point you've been caught off guard by an unexpected software update. Just as you're about to wrap up a project or in the heart of a gaming battle, a pop-up steals your focus, insisting that you must update your software right now. And you click postpone, but it comes back again and again until you're forced surrender. Indeed, technology has a way of turning even the most mundane tasks into Herculean trials. But remember this, you're not alone. So what if there was a way to counter these tech challenges, a way to make your life easier, despite the digital gremlins that pop up every now and then? Imagine a world where tech works for you, not against you. Without further ado, let's get started on this journey of tech transformation. Fear not, because we're here to transform your daily tech experience with some mind-blowing life hacks. Let's dive into the latest tech trends that are shaping our lives. In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, AI-powered assistants are becoming an increasingly common feature in our day-to-day routines. From setting alarms to managing our schedules, these intelligent systems have significantly reduced the burden of everyday tasks. Venturing beyond personal assistance, we see smart devices taking center stage in the tech revolution. The power of smart homes lies within the convenience they offer. Imagine a world where your coffee is ready when you wake up, lights adjust to your mood, and your home temperature is always ideal. These are not distant dreams, but realities made possible by the proliferation of smart home devices. The expansion of these technologies is not limited to our homes. They are making their way into our workplaces, transforming how we conduct business and collaborate with teams. Smart devices are enhancing productivity, streamlining processes, and catalyzing innovation. In the realm of recreation too, tech trends are making their presence felt. They are redefining gaming, entertainment, and even the way we exercise. Virtual reality is no longer just a sci-fi fantasy, it's here and changing the way we play. We'll explore how these trends are revolutionizing the way we live, work, and play. Now get ready for 7 incredible tech life hacks that will revolutionize your everyday experiences. These aren't your average tips and tricks, these are mind-blowing insights into making the most of your technology. Curated by experts who've done the legwork so you don't have to. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, these hacks will undoubtedly make an impact on your digital life. Are you tired of your smartphone dying in the middle of the day? We've got a myriad of solutions to not just extend but maximize your smartphone's battery life. From simple tweaks in your settings to installing energy-saving apps, we'll guide you through every step. Perhaps you've got an old tablet gathering dust and you're not quite sure what to do with it. Why not transform it into a smart home hub? We'll provide detailed instructions on how to make the switch, and before you know it, you'll have a centralized control for your home automation system. Every single one of these hacks comes with a comprehensive, detailed description. We'll break down each step, making it easy to follow along. We'll even provide real-life examples of how these hacks can be applied in everyday situations. This isn't just theoretical knowledge, these are practical tips that you can start implementing immediately. These hacks aren't limited to just smartphones and tablets. We'll cover a wide range of tech gadgets, software, and more. From optimizing your laptop's performance to making the most of your smart TV's features, we've got you covered. Each hack comes with a detailed description, step-by-step instructions, and a real-life application so you can start using them right away. In essence, these tech hacks are more than just fascinating tricks. They serve as practical solutions that ingeniously take advantage of the latest tech trends. Have you ever wondered about the different ways to simplify your technological interaction? Well, these hacks are certainly worth your attention. They aim to streamline your digital experience, making it both more enjoyable and efficient. Now let's delve a little more into what makes these solutions so practical. These hacks are based on the latest tech trends, meaning they're up to date. They're not just some random tricks, they're ingenious solutions that have been designed with modern technology in mind. They're here to help you through the complexities of today's tech landscape with ease. Apart from being practical, these solutions are novel. They provide a fresh perspective on using technology in our everyday lives. It's not often that you come across something that's both practical and inventive. These hacks are that rare breed of solutions that combine functionality with creativity. They offer a new way of thinking and approaching technology, making it even more exciting and interesting. Why give them a try? You may be wondering whether it's worth it. The truth is, there's no harm in trying. In fact, you might be surprised at how much these simple hacks can enhance your tech life. They could make things easier for you, or possibly even more fun. It's really all about exploring the endless possibilities that technology has to offer. And while you're at forget to like, share, and subscribe, your support is what keeps us going. It allows us to continue creating and sharing incredible content with you, our wonderful viewer. Become part of our community and join us on this exciting journey of discovering and understanding technology. And remember, Knowledge Bank is here to empower you to make the most of today's technology.